Jamaica received 13 flights today with relief supplies. There was also a flight from the United States with the Disaster Assistance Response Team. Anthony Lugg reports.
In the shattered quiet after Hurricane Melissa's roar, the people of western and southern Jamaica are picking through the wreckage. Residents of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland have been trying to clear fallen trees and reconnect cut-off communities for days. Amid the heartbreak, a glimmer of hope arrived Thursday afternoon as a United States Disaster Assistance Response Team DART touched down at the Norman Manley International Airport. The U.S. Disaster Assistance Response Team are making their way outside of the aircraft. This is a clear sign of what's to come.
You may have heard over the last few days, President Trump and Secretary Rubio expressed their strong support for Jamaica. As the minister alluded to, this is the first concrete example of that in terms of we're sending in not only aid on this plane, but also experts. You'll see 40 or 50 people come off of this plane, including Fairfax County Fire Rescue, search and rescue experts, because we're here to help the people of Jamaica recover from this devastating hurricane. And I hope to be out here all week long greeting other shipments as they come in.
Within the next few hours, convoys of U.S. and Jamaican personnel will be heading west, where some communities remain marooned. The team will work alongside the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, and the Jamaica Defense Force.
The main focus is relief clearance, which is happening here, logistical operation, relief distribution, and damage assessment. Relief distribution is the most critical part of it because we have to get food, water, medicals, and other things to the persons who are out there who are suffering.
The arrival of international assistance marks a critical moment in Jamaica's recovery effort. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says it's the beginning of what's to come.
Tomorrow, I'm expecting 10 of the big helicopters out of the United States that are now staged in Cayman. Those are the hospital helicopters and also the big helicopters. So you're talking about, the days and weeks to come, as hard as it's going to be, with the support of the international community and our diaspora and everybody. We're going to get it done. We're going to get it done.
As the team looks to begin their search and roll out relief into isolated areas, a reminder, even in disaster's wake, help can still find its way through the storm.
We thank the international community for all of their assistance. There are many more to come. And we are, as we said earlier today, the government is doing everything we can to get to the communities that have been marooned and to get food to them and critical supplies to them.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.